Hare Krishna to all the devotees. Please accept my humble obeisances and pranam. I welcome you to the early morning short Bhagavatam class organized by ISKCON Radha Govinda Temple, Kulai, Mangaluru. I indeed invite you for and on behalf of His Grace, Sri Namanesa Das Prabhuji and Her Grace, Brahma Kishori Mataji. We shall begin with our prayers, and you would say your prayers along with me, keeping the mute button on. ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपं कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरुः श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरुन् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं स्वगणरघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवम् साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं श्रीकृष्णचैतन्यदेवम् श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगण ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधो जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी श्री राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो वैष्णवपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामी इति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा टू एवरीवन प्लीज फॉलो मी ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
ओम
ॐ
नमो
नमो
भगवते
भगवते वासुदेवाय
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
ओम
ॐ
नमो
नमो भगवते
भगवते
वासुदेवाय
वासुदेवाय
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
ओम
ॐ
नमो
नमो भगवते
भगवते
वासुदेवाय
वासुदेवाय
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमम्
नारायणं
नारायणं
नमस्कृत्य
नमस्कृत्य
नरं
नरं
चैव
चैव
नरोत्तमम्
नरोत्तमम्
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये
देवीं
देवीं
सरस्वतीं
सरस्वतीं
व्यासं
व्यासं
ततो
ततो
जयमुदीरये
जयमुदीरये
शृणुतां स्वकथा कृष्णः पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तनः
शृण्वतां
शृण्वतां
स्वकथा
कृष्ण
कृष्ण
पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तनः
पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तनः
हृदयन्तः सोयभद्राणि विदुनोति सुरस्तथा
पर्यन्तोऽय भद्राणि
हृद्यन्तस्तोयभद्राणि
विदुनोति
विदुनोति
सुहृदाम्
सुहृताम्
नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया
नष्टप्रायेषु
नष्टप्रायेषु
अभद्रेषु
अभद्रेषु
नित्यं
नित्यं
भागवतसेवया
भागवतसेवया
भगवती उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवती नैष्टिकी
भगवतीर्भवति नैष्ठिके
भक्तिर्भवति
भक्तिर्भवति
नैष्ठिकी
नैष्ठिके
Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. Daily reading of Srimad Bhagavatam, recitation of Bhagavatam slokas, attending the classes, taking classes, and even doing the Manaram of Srimad Bhagavatam removes all inauspicious things from our life. And since it is worshipping Lord Sri Krishna, the Uttama Sloka, he certainly Lord bestows upon us the nice sticky bhakti. Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 7, The Science of God, Chapter 4, Hiranyakashipu terrorizes the universe. We shall take verses from 13 to 16. I would like all of you to recite the verse 13, which is a good verse, and then we'll see how we go for the remaining verses. Madhumai Krishna Kanda Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare
Pranams Prabhuji.
Pranam.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Tamangamattam Madhunorugandhina Vivruttatam Raksham Asheshadishnapaha Upasatopayana Panibhirvina Tribhisthapo yoga balaujasaam padam. Thank you, Prabhuji.
Thank you, Mataji. Chitra Mohini Devidasi ji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी प्रणाम प्रभु जी ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय तमंगमत्तं मधुनूरुगन्धिना विवृत्तताम्राक्षम् अशेषदिष्ण्यपा उपासतोपायन पाणिभिर्विना त्रिभिस्तपो योगबलोजसां पदम् हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी थैंक यू वेरी मच
Thank you, Mataji. Venkat Narasimha Rao Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Tamagnamattam madhunoru gandhina vivrutta tamraksham asheshadishnyapa upasatopayana panibhirvina tribhistapoyoga badam japam padam. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Pranandandini Madhvi Devidasi ji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी प्रणाम प्रभु जी ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय तम अंगमत्तं मधुनोरगन्धिनः विवृतं तं राख्यम् अशेषदिस्न्यपः उपासतौ उपायन पानेभिर्विना त्रिभिस्तपोजोग बलोजसम्पदम् हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी थैंक यू प्रभु
Thank you, Mataji. Madhumati Vilasini Devidasi ji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी दंडवत प्रणाम प्रभु जी ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय तमंगमत्तं मधुनोरुगन्धिना विवृत्तताम्राक्षशेषधिष्णयप उपासतो तापया पाणिभिर्विन् त्रिभिः तपो योगबलौजसां पदम् थैंक यू प्रभु जी हरे
Thank you, Mataji. Subharao Prabhuji. Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Dandat Pranam Prabhuji. You are muted, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandat Pranam.
Go ahead, Prabhuji.
Gamattam madhunoru gandhina vivruttatam rakshamasheshadishnyapsa upasatopayana panibhirvina त्रिभिस्तपो योगबलौजसां पदम्. Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Thank you, Prabhuji. Uttama Padma Devi Dasi ji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। तमंगमत्तं मधुनोरुगन्धिना विवृत्तताम्राक्षमशेषधिष्णपा उपासतोपायन पाणिभिर्विना त्रिभिस्तपो योगबलोज्जसां पदम्। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
Thank you, Mataji. Revati Ratnagi Devi Dasi ji.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। प्रणाम प्रभु जी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। तमंगमद्दं मधुनोरुकन्दिना विवृततं राक्षम् अशेष दीक्षिणया वः उपासदोपयना पानिपुरविना त्रिभिस्तप योग बलोजसां पदम्। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, Mataji. Usha Dayavati Devi Mataji.
हरे
Hare
कृष्णा।
Krishna Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। प्रणाम प्रभु जी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। तम अंगमत्तं मधुनो उरुगन्धिन विवृततं राक्षसेश दिष्णयपाम् उपासत उपायान विनाम कृबी तप योग भाला ओजसं पदम्। थैंक यू प्रभु जी। हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
Usha Dayavati Mataji. Can you read synonyms for us?
यस प्रभु जी, विद प्लेजर प्रभु जी। Tam, him, Hiranyakasipu. Anga, oh dear king. Mattam, intoxicated. Madhuna, by wine. Urugandhina, strong smelling. Vibrata, rolling. Tamra akshasam, having eyes like copper. Sesha Vishnayapa, the principal men of all the planets. Upasata, worshipped. Upayana, full with paraphernalia. Panibihi, by their own hands. Vina, without. Tribi, the three principal deities, Lord Vishnu, Lord Brahma, and Lord Shiva. Tapa, of austerity. Yoga, mystic power. Bhala, bodily strength. Ojasam, the power of the senses. Padam, the abode. Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you very much, Mataji. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Oh, my dear king, Hiranyakashipu was always drunk on strong smelling wines and liquors, and therefore his coppery eyes were always rolling. Nonetheless, because he had powerfully executed great austerities in mystic yoga, although he was abominable, all but the three principal demigods, Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva, and Lord Vishnu, personally worshipped him to please him by bringing him various presentations with their own hands. Purport by Srila Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada ki jai. In the Skanda Purana, there is this description, Upayanam dadahu sarve vina deven Hiranyakashipu. Hiranyakashipu was so powerful that everyone but three principal demigods, namely Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva, and Lord Vishnu, engaged in his service. Madhavacharya says, Aditya Vasava Rudrastri Vidha hi Surayata. There are three kinds of demigods: the Adityas, the Vasus, and the Rudras, beneath whom are other demigods like the Maruts and Sadhyas. Marutas Chaiva Vishvecha Sadhyas Chaivacha Tat Gataha. Therefore, all the demigods are called Tripistapa, and The same word, three, Pristapa, applies to Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva, and Lord Vishnu. We'll take all purports together. There are small purports for first two slokas, and the rest have no purports. I would request two of you to recite this verse. Please raise your hands. Subarao Prabhuji, Hare Krishna Prabhuji, please go
Hare
ahead.
Krishna Prabhu. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Jagur Mahendra Sanamojasa Stitam Vishwavasu Rasma Tadayaha Gandharva Siddha Rushayostuvanmuhu Vidyadharascha Sarasakcha Pandava. Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Madhubhai Krishnan Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. जगुर्महेन्द्रासनम् ओजसा स्थितम् विश्वावसु तुम्बुरास्मतादयः गन्धर्वसिद्धा ऋषयोस्तुवन् मुहुः विद्याधराश्च अप्सरसश्च पाण्डव. Thank you, Prabhuji.
Thank you very much, Mataji. Keep your hand raised. We have two more verses to go. Madhubhai Krishnan Mataji, would you like to read the synonyms for us?
Yes, Prabhuji. Thank you, Prabhuji. Synonyms by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Jaguhu, sung of the glories. Mahendra Asanam, the throne of King Indra. Ojasa, by personal power. Sthitam, situated on. Vishwavasuhu, the chief engineer of the Gandharvas. Tumburuhu, another Gandharva singer. Asmatadayaha, including ourselves. Narada and others also glorified Hiranyakashipu. Gandharva, the inhabitants of Gandharva Loka. Siddhaha, the inhabitants of Siddhaloka. Rushayaha, the great sages and saintly persons. Astuvan, offered prayers. Muhuhu, again and again. Vidyadharaha, the inhabitants of Vidyadhara Loka. Cha and Apsarasaha, the inhabitants of Apsara Loka. Cha and Pandava, O descendant of Pandu. Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you very much, Mataji. Translation by Srila Prabhupada ki jai. O Maharaja Yudhishthir, descendants of Pandu, by dint of his personal power, Hiranyakashipu, being situated on the throne of King Indra, controlled the inhabitants of all other planets. The two Gandharvas, Vishwavasu and Tumburu, I myself, and Vidyadharas, Apsaras, and sages all offered prayers to him again and again, just to glorify him. Purport by Srila Prabhupada ki jai. The Asuras sometimes became so powerful that they can engage even Narada Muni and similar devotees in their service. This does not mean that Narada was subordinate to Hiranyakashipu. Sometimes, however, it so happens in this material world that great personalities, even the great devotees, can also be controlled by the Asuras. Going to verse number 15. Let's see who has their hand raised. Subbarao Prabhuji, go ahead.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandat Pranam. Sayeva varnasramibihi kratubhit bhuri dakshinaihi ijjamano havirbha ganagrahit svena tejasa. Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Revati Ratnangi Devi Dasi ji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, pranams Prabhuji. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Saye Varnam Shamapi Krutubi Puri Dakshinaho Ijyamano Habim Bhargana Grahi Swanena Tejasa. Hare Krishna Prabhuji, thank you very much.
Thank you. Revati Ratnangi Mataji, would you like to read synonyms for us?
Yes, Prabhuji, thank you very much, Prabhuji. Synonyms. Saha, he, Hiranyakashipu, Iva, indeed, Varna Ashram Biha, by persons who strictly followed the regulative principles of the four Varnas and four Ashramas. Kritibihi, by ritualistic ceremonies, Buri, abundant, Dakshinaha, offered with gifts, Ilayamanaha, being worshipped, Habib Bagan, the portions of the oblations, Agrahit Asab Swine by his own Tejasa uh, Prabhus. Hare Krishna Prabhuji, thank you very, very
Thank
much,
you
Prabhuji.
very much, Revati Ratnangi Mataji. We have added your name in the group, Mataji.
Thank you very much, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Translation. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Being worshipped by sacrifices offered with great gifts by those who strictly followed the principles of Varna and Ashrama, Hiranyakashipu, instead of offering shares of oblations to the demigods, accepted them himself. And the last verse, Usha Dayavati Mataji. Go ahead, Mataji.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी प्रणाम प्रभु जी ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय अक्षरत पश्चेत तस्यते सप्तद्वीपवती महीम तथा कामदुगो गावो मनो नानाश्रय पतम नाभः थैंक यू प्रभु जी हरे कृष्णा प्रभु
Thank
जी
you, Mataji. Thank you. Madhumati Vilasini Mataji.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी अकृष्टपच्या तस्यासीत सप्तद्वीपवती मही तथा कामदुघा गावो नानाश्चर्यपदं नभः थैंक यू प्रभु जी हरे कृष्णा
Thank you, Mataji. Madhumai Krishnan Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभुजी
Hare Krishna.
पृष्ठपश्चातस्यासीत् सप्तदीपवती मही तथा कामदुगा गावो नानाश्चर्यपदं नभः थैंक यू प्रभुजी
Pranadandini Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभुजी अकृष्टपश्चातस्यासी सप्तदीपवती मही तथा कामदुघा गावो नानाश्चर्यपदं नभः हरे कृष्ण प्रभु
Thank you, Mataji. Subbarao Prabhuji. Prabhuji, you are muted.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandat Pranam. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Akruštapatya Tasyasit Saptadvipavati Mahi Tatha Kamadugha Gavo Nanascharya Padam Sabha.
Thank you very much, Subbarao Prabhuji. I would request you to read synonyms after Chitra Mohini Devi Dasi ji recites the verse.
Okay.
Chitra
हरे
Mohini,
कृष्ण प्रभु जी
go ahead, Mataji.
हाँ हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी अकृष्टपच्या तस्यासीत तस् 1 मिनिट प्रभु जी अकृष्टपच्या तस्यासीत सप्तद्वीपवती मही तथा कामधुगा गावो नानाश्चर्यपदं नवः. हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी. थैंक यू प्रभु जी.
Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, synonyms.
Hare Krishna.
Akrustapatya. Akrustapatya. Bearing grains without being cultivated or plowed. Tasya. Of Hiranya Kasipu. Asit was Saptadvipavati, consisting of 7 islands. Mahi, the earth. Tatha, so much. So, Kama Dugha, which can deliver as much milk as one desires. Gava, cows. Nana, various. Ashcharyapadam, wonderful things. Nabhaha, the sky. Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Thank you, Prabhuji.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Wonderful pronunciations. Thank you. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. As if in fear of Hiranyakashipu, the planet Earth, which consists of 7 islands, as we saw yesterday, that Maharaj Priyavrata created 7 islands and 7 oceans, delivered food grains without being plowed. Thus, it resembled cow like Surabhi of the spiritual world, or the Kamadugha. It can be called as Kamadugdha or Kamadhenu of heaven. The earth yielded sufficient food grains. The cows supplied abundant milk, and the outer space was beautifully decorated with wonderful phenomena. These 4 verses are describing how all the 3 world is busy in serving the great Hiranyakashipu. Hiranyakashipu himself was always in a kind of a stupor where he had drank lot many wines and liquors. And our first basic principle in Krishna consciousness is 4 regulative principles. And look at Asura here. In spite of being the king of the entire 3 worlds, he is not interested in remaining to his consciousness for the people. He rather is enjoying his life and himself. There is nothing beyond him in this world. Obviously, when he is drunk, his eyes would be rolling and he would be kind of with red eyes. He was a very strong man, and since he was strong, howsoever abominable he may be, people out of fear worshipped him. So, in short, the reason why one can worship or become your devotee or a slave is there are 2 reasons. One is the strong faith and strong fear. Both of them end up into so-called same result, but the faith has a love and affection where the fear has no love. Except Lord Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh, the three personalities who actually create, maintain, and dissolve this material manifestation, all other demigods have started doing what in our material world we call chamchagiri. So fear generates so much of obedience and so much of slavery so easily. It's not only the demigods just worshipped and gave lots of presents. Everyone followed doing that. After the demigods who ruled the planets, their inhabitants also did the same thing. And they also presented lots and lots of things. And then comes the people who worshipped, they also sacrificed for him. Even those people who were strictly following Vedic rituals and Vedic Varnashram Dharma, still they were worshipping Hiranyakashipu, offering him lots and lots of gifts, that too by personally attending to him and presenting him gift with their own hands. Unfortunately, Hiranyakashipu, when he was offered the oblations of sacrifices, he would keep everything to himself rather than distributing it to other demigods and other people as prasadam. In short, it tells us that for Hiranyakashipu, the center of the world is he himself, and the existence of the world is again he himself. Lastly, even planet Earth, without plowing the land or planting the seeds, grew lots and lots of grains and provided all the grains to Hiranyakashipu, and also the cows providing abundant milk to Hiranyakashipu. I'm sure you remember Canto 4, where we had Prithu Maharaj, and Prithu Maharaj had to fight with Mother Earth why she is not providing enough of the grains and enough of the milk, in spite of she being offered proper oblations from the sacrifices and ritualistic ceremonies which were performed regularly by the citizens. So we have two examples. One is a great ruler like Prithu Maharaj, who is incarnation of the Lord himself, though partial, though you call it Satyavesha avatar. But with such a ruler, the earth may not provide enough grain, cows may not provide enough milk, and Prithu Maharaj had to take them to task and order them to do the needful. Whereas here you have a Hiranyakashipu, who is the king of the Asuras, and in fact he is terrorizing the entire three worlds. And still everybody is providing flawless gifts, and the cow, and then even the cow providing abundant milk and the earth providing enough grains. So one starts wondering what is going on. Srila Prabhupada even writes in his purport that Asuras at times even controls some of the great personalities and sages, and sometimes even some devotees as well. But mind you, all these things are out of fear, and the fear doesn't last long. So the difference between Prithu Maharaj and the Hiranyakashipu would be that whatever Prithu Maharaj does would have a permanent effect. Whatever Hiranyakashipu gets is a temporary thing. But it all leads us to one thing, and that is feeding. And so let's see the basic principle of feeding, the Vedic understanding of supplying nutrition or feeding. Feeding the root is considered to be the art for universal satisfaction. If you feed a tree with the water, automatically the entire tree would get the water. Otherwise, it's very difficult to provide water to the stem and to the leaves and the branches and the twigs and the flowers and the fruits. So the principle gathered here is that if you water the roots, the entire tree gets feeding. Similarly, in our human beings, when we eat food, in short, if we provide food to the stomach, the entire body is maintained and survives. It doesn't need separate feeding for head or for hands or for limbs. The same principle is applied as far as devotional services, prayers, bhajan kirtanam, samkirtanam, etc. that we do only to the Supreme Personality of the Godhead, the Supreme Truth or Absolute Truth. And then you don't need to separately feed any of the demigods. We have seen here how the demigods are and what their position is. All it needs is just one asura who can terrorize them, and they all start not only worshipping him, even glorifying him, providing him with the gifts with their own hands. This only happens if those demigods are less powerful or are not strong enough. Similarly, the material struggle versus spiritual struggle. Again, we are taking example of the Prithu Maharaj and the Hiranyakashipu. The failure of independent satisfaction. It is said that providing independent satisfaction, like trying to satisfy the people, pets, or even your senses, are never successful, and they are all vain efforts. But instead, the broken glass effect, popularly known as diamonds and broken glass, Dhruva Maharaj goes for material desires, and eventually, when he is a realized soul, when he has transcendental knowledge, and when he gets darshan of the Lord, he understands that the Lord is a diamond, and the material desires are all illusions, short and short living, and like a broken glass. Similarly, people call a Sudama effect which is offering even simple morsel of food, which will provide you with everything that you desire in this world. Sudama simply offered some rice, which Lord Krishna very affectionately and eagerly ate away. Sudama was wondering where he was going back home, that his wife is going to scold him because he actually came to Krishna to ask for the material gifts so that he can survive, looking at his poverty. But after looking at his friend and talking to him, he couldn't utter a single word. But when he reaches home, his home has been converted into a palace, and he is being given all the opulences that he desired. In short, the basic principle of the spiritual world is always understand that only the universal satisfaction is much easier and better. Individual satisfactions are not possible. And that's why individual satisfactions always end up in vain, whereas the universal satisfaction or Bahujana Hitaya certainly provides a background on which a better world could be formed. If you look at the supply side, there is always enough to go around the entire universe and the entire population of the universe, provided each one takes their necessities. The problem starts only when one starts collecting for the story and for a future use. That's where the whole calculation goes wrong. This we do because we have no faith in the Lord, no faith in ourselves, and no faith in our surrounding, that we will also have the same thing to eat, same thing to drink, and same thing to enjoy tomorrow and day after tomorrow also. So though there is enough for everyone to go around, it is never enough because everyone takes more than he needs. And this is where the Ishavasya principle comes in. Remember one thing in the world. God has given a quota for you, has decided a quota for you, and you shouldn't take anything more than your quota. If you take more, you are directly stealing from Lord Krishna, and imagine the punishment that you will get by stealing from Krishna himself. So the principle we must understand, of course, after the Bhagavad Dharma and Varnashram Dharma. Third principle is Ishavasya principle. Only take as much as you need. God always provides everyone with everything every day in the same quantity that he needs. Trust God, and when trusting the God, then only the life can be easy and blissful. Any question, any doubts, any queries? Verses are simple, but they are telling us that even asuras could control some of the sages and personalities, great personalities, and devotees also, though for a very short time.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, tell us, please.
In Bhagavatam, we also heard Prudu Maharaj also, yet with the fear only it produced the produce. Because
Yes.
he has taken the bow and wanted to attack the earth, Then only earth did it. At the same time, Hiranyakashipu also, with the fear only, earth is producing all that products.
Yes,
So
that's
here,
true.
fear is a common thing that happened.
Yeah,
But what we have to understand probably, there with the fear, she was convinced and giving the products constantly. Here, as long as the fear is there, it will produce. Once the Hiranyakashipu's fear is not there, it may go on its own.
absolutely, Prabhuji.
That's what I
You're
can
a
understand.
perfect revelation, Prabhuji. It's very true. It's only the fear that brings about then the faith and the devotion. Faith and devotion is permanent. Something that you produce an effect or by fear is very short lived. In our material world, we also, if you look at in offices, those offices where the bosses are very cruel and very so-called very disciplined, the fear creates an atmosphere to come in time and go in time. But then when you look at the work done during the time of office hours, it's always much less. Then you have an environment where there is no fear, but they are otherwise satisfied with your salaries and your behavior. The work output would be much, much more during the same time. So the effect lasts permanently in love and devotion. With the fear, whatever discipline that you bring in also is temporary. The moment fear is gone, everything is just vanishing. Very, very true, Prabhuji. Thank you very much for your revelation.
And the
Thank
second
you.
revelation, what I feel is second one is, so it is, if one prays demigods only straight away, Antavat Palantesham, oh, that sloka is there. That is only the lower top of mind. That also is proved here. Because if you pray for the demigods who are fearing for the Asura
Yeah,
and doing all the things and they become his servants, then
yeah,
definitely it's not worthy to pray independently. Only
yeah,
when you pray Supreme Person of Godhead, these people like the branches of the tree, they get their own quota of the things.
yes. True, Prabhuji. Very, very true. Thank you very much for that
We
revelation
are
as
very
well.
significant
Wonderful.
revelations, Prabhuji, with this. It's
Yes.
really proves how foolish it is of those who are just praying demigods, ignoring the Supreme Person of Godhead.
Yeah. They are praying to someone who, under the fear, would even pray to the asuras. That's true. Thank you very much, Prabhuji. Thank you. If there are no questions, Vanchakalpatarubhyasya, Kripa Sindhubhya Evacha, Patita Nama Pavanebhyo, Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah. Hare Koti Vaishnava Vijay. Hare Krishna to everyone. Thank you very much for attending the class. And
Thank
all
you,
of you have
Prabhuji.
a wonderful Krishna conscious day. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Prabhuji. Hare
Prabhuji.
Krishna. Hare
Thank you,
Prabhuji, Hare
Prabhuji,
Krishna,
particularly
Prabhuji.
for the depictions and illustrious figures you are giving, which is having an impact on our mind, even when we leave the class.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
All
Hare
glories
Krishna.
to
Thank
Srila
you, Prabhuji.
Prabhupada. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Hare
Krishna, Prabhu.
Krishna.